today I'm Mary Grace and Labada from 1HM1. For this video, I'm going to discuss and show when and how to wash your hands. When we should wash our hands. These are the times that we should wash our hands. Before, during, and after preparing food. Before and after eating food. After blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. After handling pet food or pet treats. And after touching garbage. Last is after using toilet. We do hand washing often at these times to remove germs from our hands and to prevent illness. So here are the 6 steps for the proper way of washing hands. Step 1. Wet your hands with water. Step 2. Apply soap. Step 3. Lather and scrub for 20 seconds. This means lathering your hands by rubbing them together with the soap and scrubbing the backs of your left and right hands between your fingers. Scrub your palms under the nails. Thumbs and finish off with the wrist. Step 4. Rinse well. Step 5. Dry with a towel. Step 6. Use a towel to turn off the tap to protect your hands from germs on the handle. Be aware, wash with care.